Today I'm going to show you how to turn off login with email in Telegram in just a few quick steps. If you no longer want Telegram to use your email-based login or recovery option, this tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need to change so you can disable it safely and avoid confusion later. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully so you don't lock yourself out of your account. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Telegram tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or tablet and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once you're inside the app, go to Settings. On most devices, you can find Settings from the menu or the bottom navigation area, depending on whether you're using iPhone or Android. In Settings, look for Privacy and Security and tap on it. This is where Telegram keeps the most important account protection options, including login security, passcodes, and two-step verification. Next, find the option called two-step verification. In some versions of Telegram, you may see a related option labeled login email, depending on how your account security is currently set up. Tap that option to open the security settings for your login method. Telegram will ask you to confirm your identity before making any changes, so enter your current cloud password when prompted. This step is required because Telegram wants to make sure only the account owner can remove a security setting like this. After you enter the correct password, Telegram will take you to the next screen where you can manage this feature. From here, choose Disable Password. This is the key step that turns off the login email or related two-step verification method connected to your account. Confirm the change if Telegram asks you again. Once you do that, the setting will be removed, and your login email option will no longer be active the way it was before. After disabling it, take a moment to double-check your account security settings. If you use Telegram on multiple devices, it's a good idea to make sure you still have a strong recovery method or updated login details before you leave the settings menu. That way, if you ever sign out or reinstall the app, you'll still be able to get back into your account without any issues. And that's it. You've now turned off login with email in Telegram. As you can see, it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next Telegram how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.